Can you hear that? What is it? Can't figure out where that's coming from. It's going zip. I can't figure it out. Some kind of tree frog, maybe? If anyone can answer, let me know. It's camouflaged because I can't find it. It's in this tree somewhere.